Late marriages, hence a rise in the pregnancy age, infertility, increase in disposable income, awareness to treat infertility, and a 60 to 70% success rate are some of the reasons India is seeing a sharp rise in vitro fertilization or IVF services, the medical procedure of assisting with the conception of a child. In the past 5 years, the Indian fertility market has grown by around 20%, with an average of around 2 to 2.5 lakh IVF cycles conducted per year. Due to factors mentioned earlier, experts say there is a potential for the market to grow. Estimates are the 2 to 2.5 lakh cycles per year could grow to around 5 to 6 lakh cycles per year, with the entire market size growing from around 793 million in 2020 to over 3.5 billion by 2030. One of the biggest advantages that India enjoys is the cost factor. Today, a single IVF cycle in the US costs around $12,000 to $14,000, and with add-on services, it can scale up to $30,000, while in the UK, it costs over $6,000 or more for a cycle, and Singapore over $7,000. And remember, a couple often requires multiple cycles, around 1 to 2 or even more. Now compare this to India, where a single IVF cycle costs a fraction of the cost at around $1,200 to $2,500 per cycle. Hence, besides the growth potential in the home market with around 25 to 30 million couples suffering from infertility issues, the cheaper costs combined with factors such as expertise and pre- and post-procedure infrastructure, fewer language barriers, also makes India a favorable destination for medical tourism for IVF procedures. The interest in this space is visible. The likes of TPG-backed Nova IVF bought 51% stake in Delhi-based IVF chain South End Fertility, while the likes of Behring, Blackstone, Bain and Advent and TPG are looking to acquire majority stake in Indira IVF, with the deal size anywhere between 8 to 10,000 crores. However, there are some hiccups that might impact growth. For example, Milan, the fertility arm owned by cancer care-focused hospital chain Healthcare Global, in the past 6 years has had 28,000 new couples register for treatment, with over 11,000 IVF procedures conducted, but it saw no growth in revenue in Q4. In the quarter gone by, the company saw new registrations fall 22%, IVF cycles fall 7% year-on-year, impacted by regulations by the government on surrogacy.